The new accoPLANNING release is here and the team has overdone themselves and added some great new features along with smooth general enhancements. This new feature helps you expand your customization experience in Power BI. It allows you to customize your own calculated row in your already established accoPLANNING table. Hover the mouse over the visual and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Here you have the option to do calculations within other parent or child rows in your table. For example, the sum of two rows. In Advanced option, I can customize the row as needed. And click Insert above or below the marked level. You are now enabled to create your own custom calculated column in the same way as custom calculated rows. For example, what is the sum of sales in Q1? As seen, there is one more option in custom calculated column Advanced options. This can only be chosen when the replicate in parent sibling is clicked on. The contextual calculations allows for the same Q1 calculation in every parent level, however, in this case in its respective year. This new feature will expand the reporting's options with real-time calculations and help your planning process be more flexible. Cell lock has been approved and this new locking of cells update will blow your mind. The developer has the options to allow user to cell lock and to be able to unlock cells. This gives the flexibility for the end user to lock cells after input and make sure these will not be affected by potential splashing by other users or as an approval indicator. Go to the upper right corner of Power BI and under Build your visual field Cell Lock, add your cell lock measure. Go to any parent or leaf level in your hierarchy that is not affected by the cell lock and mark the cells and right-click in the table. Now you have the option to lock only these cells. In the same way, you can unlock these cells if the report developer have allowed you that option. As we continue to improve our user experience and flexibility in our product, the hide columns and rows are now an available feature that will enhance your flexibility and allow you to make asymmetric column and row selections. The developer has also the options to allow user to hide rows and column for ad hoc analysis. Go to the rows or columns you want to hide, right-click and select on the option Hide. You can also mark several rows or columns at the same time. All parent and child levels in your hierarchy can be hidden and unhidden. Any total or subtotal will not be affected when you hide. When you want to unhide, right-click on any row in your table, go to Unhide and choose which row you want to unhide or choose to unhide all. That's not all. We have more exciting news in this release. Better performance. Better on-prem support for enterprise environment. API error message improvements. Better user experience. Our navigation has undergone a major overhaul, with the most notable change being the revamped toolbar with its larger and more prominent icons. Better formatting and configuration options. The formatting for value labels, which gives you greater control over the visual presentation of your data. Thanks for tuning in. That's all I have for today. Watch out for more features coming soon. Stay tuned.